Welcome to the Lincoln Property Blog, your go-to resource for insightful updates, industry trends, and expert advice in the world of local properties. This week, we look at the Lincoln and UK property market overview for Q2 2024. As an estate agent working in Lincoln, I believe it's crucial to provide a comprehensive and realistic perspective on the local and national property markets. This approach aims to dispel the misconceptions often perpetuated by the media. Despite frequent reports predicting a housing market crash since September 2022, the actual data reveals that the British and Lincoln property markets are holding steady. To understand the health of the property market, we should first examine the influx of new properties, listings, entering the market nationally. In the second quarter of 2024, April, May and June, 450,486 properties were listed for sale across the UK. This figure is higher compared to the 411,927 properties listed in Q2 2023 and the 7-year Q2 average, 2017 to 2023, of 399,581 new properties. The average price of a UK property coming onto the market in Q2 2024 was £454,223, compared to £438,551 in Q2 2023. The number of new listings is a critical indicator of market health. During the 2008 financial crisis, the number of properties entering the market in Q1 doubled compared to the previous year of 2007, leading to an oversupply and subsequent price drops. Therefore, monitoring this metric helps gauge market stability. A simple method to assess market trends involves using Zoopla or Rightmove. By tracking the number of properties for sale and those sold subject to contract weekly, you can calculate the ratio of sold to available properties. An increasing ratio indicates a strengthening market, while a declining ratio suggests a slowdown. Although, don't forget there is a seasonal factor to this. For a more detailed analysis, you can break this data down by property type and price range. Looking at national sales and price bands, in Q2 2024, 308,969 properties were sold subject to contract in the UK. This is much higher than the 269,989 properties sold subject to contract in Q2 2023 and above the 7-year Q2 average of 299,324. The average price of a UK property sold subject to contract in Q2 2024 was £369,373, compared to £367,030 in Q2 2023. Examining listings and sales by price band provides further insights. In Q2 2024, 33.9% of new listings were priced up to £250,000, yet this segment accounted for 40.4% of sales. 40.3% of new listings were in the £250,000 to £500,000 range, and the same 40.3% of sales were also in this price range. 13.8% of listings were priced between £500,000 and £750,000, yet only 11.6% of sales occurred in this band. 5.7% of listings were priced between £750,000 and £1 million, but only 4.2% of sales occurred in this band. Finally, 6.2% of listings were priced £1 million plus, yet only 3.6% of home sales occurred in this band. This data highlights a stronger performance in lower-priced properties, suggesting that affordability is driving the market. As we stated before, pricing realistically from the outset is essential in the current market. In Q2 2024, there were 225,745 price reductions on the 673,973 properties on the market, indicating a need for initial realistic pricing to avoid subsequent price cuts, which can deter potential buyers. Also, it is interesting that the average number of properties for sale in Q2 in 2023 was only 605,667, so 2024 has seen an 11.3% growth in homes for sale. Overall, despite the continued higher mortgage rates and economic uncertainties, the Lincoln property market in terms of house sales has now surpassed the pre-pandemic activity levels. Yet, sellers should still aim to price their properties competitively to attract buyers where there are more homes for sale. Now to the Lincoln property market specifics. Locally in Lincoln, covering LN1 to LN6 postcodes, 1,808 properties were listed in Q2 2024 with an average asking price of £294,182. The £200,000 to £250,000 price range saw the highest number of new listings, with 331 properties. Sales in Lincoln during the same period totaled 1,217 properties, with an average sale price of £256,287. The most active price range for sales was the £150,000 to £200,000 bracket, with 253 home sales agreed. First-time buyer properties are leading the recovery in Lincoln, mirroring the national trend where lower-priced homes are more popular. So our conclusion is that ultimately, decisions about moving home should be based on personal circumstances rather than market conditions alone. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and let's discuss how best to navigate the Lincoln property market in 2024. If you have any questions or need further insights, do not hesitate to reach out, or if you would like a chat about where you sit in the current market, do not hesitate to give me a call on 01522512513 or drop me a message on social media. To ensure all our clients get the very best experience and a total marketing strategy as unique as their homes, we only list 20 properties per month. Our end of July and August market appraisal slots are now available to book. We ensure that you are always a name and not just a number with Walters.